Oh yeah, just kicking back, about to eat some food, working it out. Customer ain't bringing their own stuff, waiting for them. Got one set of speakers in, one set of speakers in. Man, I can't do nothing without the other set. So hopefully they show up with all the parts. And if not, I'm gonna shelf it and yell next. Money's Car Stereo. Kick it back in the lab. Well, people like to ask questions. I can't give you everything I do. I can show you better. I can tell you a lot of times. Had the lids up here. Came up with a recipe to block off the words damn bam. You see it right there. Bag empty. The other side. Bam bam. Bag empty. What you see is what you get in the front. So we're just gonna set it off like this. My house is backed up with vehicles, so let me see what we're gonna run today. Let me see. Back it up one song. Do a little E40. Do a little vocal exercise.
Keep it on, yeah, all day. One of my niggas like all day. She fuck with the click, yeah, all day. We to the money like all day. Keep it 100, yeah, all day. One of my niggas, yeah, all day. Fuck with the click, yeah, all day. We to the money like all day. That's all day. Yeah, all day.
A little bit of bass jumping off.
All day, every day, living with a place selling dope and broccoli, trying to find a better way, swimming in the dirty bag, haters got no vertebrae, he ain't really hella fake, don't wanna see you elevate, don't wanna see you liberate, don't wanna see you escalate, every day we celebrate, losers need to resignate,
I need to say,
suckers wanna separate, sipping on the Tennessee, meditate, ball of block, the pass in the fear.
So I think we're good enough. I could go over there. I probably can go up there. But we're gonna take it like right about here.
Hoes like a casting call. Booty bigger than a basketball. I ain't fucking less cash involved. I ain't talking with
Like I said, Money's Car Stereo. We got them flash drives. Got everything you need to have. We in this new folder I made up called Going In. So when you show up on them, you're just gonna go in on them. Hit them with the vocal. You know, all these songs I picked out in this playlist got that vocal that just off the hook. You know, these are all songs I like. The bass line's where I like it to be. You know, like this. So, like I said, this playlist is with a go get it playlist, or I mean going in playlist that is. I see on the screen it says going in. So when I show up on you, I'm just gonna go in on you. And I got the songs in here that are, you know, get your attention when I show up, you know. So, as you see. So it's a little bit up. Even that Teddy P will go in on you, like watch this. So like I said, I show up, show out, and I'm gonna go in on you. Going in. We out of here. Hey y'all, guess who's back? It's Rob from Money's Car Stereo. Say man, all I got to say is you better than when you started with?
Man, that's an understatement.
Man, well, take it off pause, man. Let me hear something, man.
That's an understatement.
Give me some what you said.
Am I better than what I started at?
Yeah,
that's an understatement.
That's an understatement? Okay, take it off pause and hit play.
I don't think they're ready for this, Rob.
What?
I wasn't ready.
You said you had some friends that
oh,
was.
they gonna be mad for sure.
They gonna be mad?
Oh, they gonna be mad.
Oh, okay.
I tried to told them.
You try to tell him?
I tried to told them.
Try to told him? Let's hit play on here, see what you got, man. You got the Apple CarPlay?
Go ahead. I got that. Yeah,
Okay, okay.
I don't want to leave you or my friend.
I called.
You're my best friend.
Now you say on the phone you couldn't on the phone you said you couldn't hear the bass, huh? The bass there now, huh?
You probably getting party, yeah.
What, you got another song for me?
The videos, putting this out on the airwaves, nation, possibly worldwide. The videos does the work and the craftsmanship, no justice.
Because you're my best friend. All the way around, I'm loyal. I got money on me, I'm loyal. I got money in my pocket, I'm loyal.
Well, I guess it's only
Pain
one.
goes away when you kiss it.
I guess one thing to say. Here goes your shirt, man. Man, pop that over, man. You said you wanted the law. You said you wanted the muscular build. You know, you felt you got your sexy back or whatnot. You say,
Appreciate it, man. You know what? Finally, it's my turn. Because I, for a long time, knew I wasn't suffering from terminal uniqueness. I've been seeing hella people come by and do this here. I see why. I'm in the club, boys. It's not a gang, y'all. It's a club.
you better ask somebody. There you go, man. Hit the back, man. See if you got going. Oh, okay. Bam. Bam. We there.
And mine fits snug, so when I'm riding down the road, you can see what I'm seeing.
Money's Car Stereo. Just letting y'all see what I see. Another happy customer. We gotta go.